For many day-to-day tasks, frontline officers in the community traditionally need to travel back to the station to rewrite notes, manually enter data, and pass information to the back office for processing. A process that is time-consuming, takes resources away from the community, and is not a good use of taxpayers' money. At Tisski, we have worked in partnership with Cumbria and Durham Constabularies and Microsoft to develop Powerapps for policing, a suite of mobile applications designed to let officers do what they do best. Powerapps for policing are easy to use and enable officers to speed up the process when dealing with scenarios, including youth offending intervention, use of force, sudden death, managing witness statements, traffic offences and ticketing, and recording and management of pocket notebook entries with integration to existing platforms such as the Police National Computer. As an example, our app for traffic offences empowers officers with on-location ticket generation, additional vehicle and individual information from the PNC, digital forms to avoid longhand notes, signature capture, and huge time savings in travel and processing. Offline functionality ensures the app is still effective when officers are in bad or no signal areas. A consolidated audit process ensures compliance with accessing the PNC, and the solution can be self-managed with no additional headcount, enabling police forces to manage costs. All of which leads to officers being more operationally efficient, with improved public visibility and able to focus on keeping communities safe. Visit tisski.com for more information.